everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I think we all can agree this Halloween is probably going to be a very Barbie Halloween. The Barbie movie has been out for a while now and I went to go see it with Audrey in theaters. Check out the video I did with Emma when she was in town. It was really cute, if I do say so myself. Go ahead and check out Audrey's vlog of it too. She vlogged her day and also kind of like our reactions to the Barbie movie. But now it's time to get real and acknowledge the real hero behind the Barbie movie. Yes, we love Barbie, and oh my god, Gloria is Wonder Mom. Ruth is a heartwarmer. Alan is amazing. Have to acknowledge that. But the hero of the Barbie movie award goes to Weird Barbie. I'm gonna say it loud and proud. Weird Barbie is my favorite character. She's the best part of the movie. Yes, that is very subjective and no one else has to take up my opinion. Stick with me here, guys, because I'm getting to the best part. In today's video, I am breaking down a do-it-yourself Halloween Weird Barbie outfit costume thing. Another budget-friendly, just use what you have miscellaneous around the house, buy only the essentials that you will need. Luckily, I don't think I had to buy anything for this look. It's all stuff that I've already had on hand. Amazing. There's no rules to Weird Barbie. That is exactly what she is. She is makeshift. Ultimate form of creative expression. Another reason why I love her. Let's get started. I'm gonna do something crazy with my hair. I'm gonna do fun makeup. I'll put on an outfit and show you guys what I came up with. Let's quickly jump to makeup artist and hairstylist on hand and we'll continue. Hello everyone, meet my hairstylist and makeup artist. It is me. Okay, here we go. Off to a great start. Now it gets tricky because Kate McKinnon has a really dark makeup for Weird Barbie. I did a pink base. Now we're gonna get a little weird. The best part about this is the fact that you're supposed to represent something a 7-year-old did to their Barbie doll. They played with two hearts. Oh man, is that a choice. I feel like I'm going back to like the early 2000s. Raccoon eyes. Oh. The crazy thing is that this is like exactly how I used to do my eyeliner in like middle school, high school. And this is the exact eyeliner pencil brand that I used. So we got Warrior Weird Barbie eye makeup going. I did the best I could. Let's get into hair. I don't have Barbie colored hair. I don't have Weird Barbie length hair, but I have an idea how to make my hair Weird Barbie-esque. Not only is this screaming early 2000s for me, but tell me, honestly, is this not something a 7-year-old with butterfly clips would try to do to your hair? Come on, let's be honest. So she has a lot of crazy hair going in every which way direction. I'm gonna do my own version of that. Good that I have crazy curly hair. Oh my gosh. This is making me think of 13 going on 30, that hairstyle that she wears to the dance. Oh yeah, this is crazy Barbie. We have finished with the hairstylist, the makeup artist. Time to go see the costume designer. Hi everyone, I am the costume department as well as everything else. We are reusing my Barbie movie dress. We're going to reuse it for this video because waste not, what not? If we're being honest, guys, this is kind of the perfect dress for the pink dress that Weird Barbie wears. That worked out rather nicely. The only thing I don't have are the stain patterns that she has all over her dress, but I might have found a solution. I have this really fun rainbow tie-dye scarf to kind of supplement the need of having to stain this really cute dress that I like to wear. We're gonna try to finesse something with this. See you in a second.
A few moments later.
So I met with the team and we discussed a sash would work just fine. It's also really fun because this ties in with the tie-dye, the tied tie-dye. Neon shoe or boot? I don't have the neon snakeskin boot. I do have a black boot, which she wears in the second part of the movie. Kind of the best of both worlds. I'm gonna put some nylons on and we're gonna try them both out and see which one I like. So I'm going to put these patterned stockings on because I think they're just whimsical enough to go with all of this. I also found this tulle petticoat thing to possibly go underneath to make it like floofy, and then we'll decide on the shoes. There's the petticoat. Jewelry, I decided to go with these very sparkly rainbow studs that I have. Oh yeah, love it. We'll just keep it simple with heart. Now for real shoes. Uh-oh. I kind of love the neon. The neon pops. Hold on. Final Weird Barbie look. I'm obsessed. It's almost making me really want to be Weird Barbie for Halloween. You guys don't even know how much of a fun video this is for me. When I was kind of coming up with this idea for this video, I haven't seen a lot of Weird Barbie makeup. Costumes outside of what you would spend a lot of money at the store. It really kind of had to be put together Mod Podge when I was putting together this idea for the video. Again, creative expression. Weird Barbie is anything you want her to be, which is also super empowering. Barbie may be for everyone, but there's a little bit of Weird Barbie in all of us. That's her magic and that's what makes her so great and why I love her so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. I'll see you soon, hopefully with more Halloween stuff. Stay spooky, stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright. Bye!